Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Respond.io for beginner. So after you logged in, you will be directed here on their dashboard. On here, you can see your contacts, your team members if you have a members, and the data for your conversations. At the bottom, you can see merge suggestions and upcoming broadcasts. On the next one is the inbox. Here you can see all of your conversation. You can connect all your business messaging accounts in one place. We call this account channels. Here you have an inbox, all mine and unassigned, life cycle of new lead, hot lead, payment, customer, cold lead, and also team box and custom inbox. Next is the contacts. Here you can add a single contact or upload a CSV file to import multiple contacts. Next one is the broadcast. Here you can add or create a broadcast to send messages to multiple contacts at one time. You can have a draft here, you can schedule one. You can see here your in progress broadcasts, completed broadcasts, and failed broadcasts. Next is the workflows. You can use workflows to automate processes for marketing, sales, support, notifications, and many more. You can start from scratch and create one with a template. Next one is the reports. Here you can have your conversations reports, responses reports, resolutions reports, messages reports, contacts, assignments report, leaderboard, users, and broadcasts. And lastly is your settings. If you still find it hard to use, they have a tutorial here. You can click on this and follow the instructions. I hope that helps. That's it.